The Geborbesep and surrounds Namibia, Brandberg quartz, always this high fire, high luster quartz formations. I'll just take you through. Okay, it's sitting on a little crust, little doubly terminated crystal sitting on that side. I think this one may have a little bit of amethyst inside it. So when I put my hand behind, you can see there's a slight bit of purple, little purple spook, little smoky spook in it as well. Very interesting crystallization on that particular edge, so it's a smaller crystal going into the larger crystal. From a display point of view, I'd have it on a stand. So you want to bring out the doubly terminated crystal there as well. Hang across like that, and there you have that other little crystal sitting on the bottom. Matrix would look like this. It's almost a crust, a little bit of a quartzy crust as a matrix on this specimen. Not very large, would be a miniature size, but very, very bright and lustrous specimen, all the way from the Geborbesep, Brandberg and surrounds Namibia. Quartz.